Hi guys, I just wanted to show you my tiny easy model aircraft collection. These are 1 to 72 in scale and they are made out of plastic. They each cost around $25 and you get very good value for your money because they have good build quality to them. They don't look like plastic models because they have decent build quality to them. They do have some drawbacks though, like the missiles on this Tomcat are lacking in details, but this is perfectly fine to me because what I consider to be important, first and foremost, is the aircraft itself. It must be well painted, accurate, with decent finish quality. And in this regard, Easy Model has done a very good job with their aircraft. The wings on this Tomcat can be swept back and forth, which is cool. However, the canopies on this aircraft are completely shut, so you cannot open and close them, which is fine to me because I don't intend to play with them anyway. Moreover, I prefer plastic models because plastic doesn't rust, it doesn't suffer from high humidity climate. Since I live in Southeast Asia, which is notorious for having highly humid climate. Secondly, I prefer my aircraft models to come as one whole piece. This came fully pre-assembled without any tidbit, and I hate tidbits because if I lose any of those tidbits, then my aircraft would lose or would diminish in value because those tidbits are important parts of the aircraft. And tidbits are typical for metal aircraft or die-cast aircraft. In addition to those metal aircraft being very expensive to collect. Well, I'm not a hardcore collector, so I don't intend to spend a hefty sum of money just to buy some aircraft models. Anyway, I have each of these aircraft, including one at the back here, the MiG-21, in DCS, and I fly them from time to time. So this is kind of personal to me because I know this aircraft inside and out, including this F-16C model, which I fly in BMS, Falcon BMS. Well, that's all I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching.